What's up, YouTube? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you can see, I got this huge box here to unbox. This thing is too big. I'm guessing that it's probably not even anything large. I've come to find that these super large boxes usually yield small aircraft or small boxes. But anyway, let's get into this package. Got the trusty razor blade still in effect. Got a little chipped tooth, but it's still in effect, still working. Very easy unboxing though. Okay, let's fill up my head. Okay, so it's the Sky Viper. I don't know why my phone is thinking that I'm talking to it. So it's the Sky Viper. There it is there. It's that unique size that we've come to like. Let me get the transmitter out of here. Looks like it's about the size of the SkyDreamer Plus. Looks awesome, I might add. I'm hoping it's on the same protocol as the M200 by Sky Viper. It has a better transmitter, feels like. And let's look at the quad. This is the quad here. It looks like it does have LEDs. And wow, it has this type of connector on the battery. I think that's JST. So the lights are okay. Red in the back, green in the front. So we're going to see if we can do some night flying with this. It is gear driven. The props look to be removable. Looks like it's awesome. Here's the SkyDreamer Plus just to compare. Have a small comparison of the size. So it's the same size as the SkyDreamer Plus. So you guys can expect some flights from this soon. We're going to try to get some night flights in, a quick review, and maybe ultimately a detailed review. This is the Sky Viper S670. Thanks for watching.